Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about 4 strategies that you can use in these difficult times where the coronavirus is creating havoc in the financial market. Now, just to re-emphasize the chaos that's going on in the financial markets, you just have to look at the stock exchange indexes that are shown on your screen. You can see the drops of over 30% in most cases, and the German 300 has dropped 38% since the coronavirus upheaval has occurred. So it's fair to say we are not living in normal times, especially on the financial side of things. Now on your screen you can see the weekly charts of the Forex market. It doesn't look like much has happened there, but if you look at the size of the weekly candles, they are ginormous. And although they look very smooth because it's a weekly candle, there's a lot of volatility within the week where the currency shot up, shot down, and created havoc on a hourly, a 4-hourly and daily basis. So the Forex market has inherited this upheaval, and the volatility that's happening has got nothing to do with technical analysis. It's all fear, greed, and outside influences that are now driving the Forex market. Okay, so let's have a look at the 4 strategies for trading this particular market. The first strategy is pretend that nothing is happening and keep on trading. Now, certainly, if you have a financial death wish or you are just plain stupid, then you can follow that particular strategy. I certainly do not encourage traders to follow that strategy. Then the next thing you can do is trade very selectively, paying particular attention to risk management. Now, you can do that, but you need to be extremely experienced. And this would mainly apply to manual trading, and because robots are built on technical analysis, and what's happening in the market is not technical analysis, it's driven by those other factors that I mentioned there. So do this. It only applies to maybe 5% of traders that can then trade selectively and apply really good risk management. And then the third option is don't trade at all, and that is the one that I am suggesting for the next few weeks. Let the stock market and the Forex market go crazy. Wait till there's an element of settling down before you start trading again. There's just too much going on, and risk has multiplied a number of times in this particular market. So the other strategy is, if you're not going to trade, why not develop your trading skills in that time? You don't have to do nothing. You can actually use that time to become a much better trader. Now, I've got a few ideas on this particular one, so let's have a look at the next slide. Okay, so let's go through these points. Perfect your ability to back trade and test EAs and indicators using the MT4, MT5 strategy tester. Now, if you want information about all of that, use the resources available to you, such as Google, YouTube, Siri, all those kind of things. Just use those resources and you'll find fantastic ways of learning how to do that. Learn how to optimize robots using good data and optimization techniques. Perfect your ability to do back trading, which applies mainly to manual trading, but you can use historical charts, or you can use great tools like the Forex tester to do controlled back testing. The Forex tester allows you to trade multiple time frames at the same time. It also allows you to trade multiple currencies at the same time. So it is actually a perfect tool for this kind of. Now, spend time learning about money management and develop a technique to do your lot size calculations perfectly. Very important. A lot of Forex traders lose a lot of money because they don't know how to lot size or position size their trades. Learn how to write your own EAs. There's a lot of software out there that will help you write really good basic EAs. Now, I mentioned this previously, develop your problem-solving skills. We, at our support desk, 80% or 90% of the problems that occur are because people don't have problem-solving skills. The answer is right in their face. We often get a situation where the client says, what do I do about this error message? Then we read the error message and it actually tells them what to do. And our EAs are built that way in that it helps you solve your own problems. So develop your problem-solving skills, a big factor in Forex trading, because Forex trading never goes smoothly. Set up a structure where you can backtest many EAs or many alternatives at the same time. If you're a manual trader or even a Forex robot trader, take the last 30 trades that you've made on your account and analyze them. Put the trades on your chart and see where the entries were, where the exits were. Could you have improved? How could you have improved those trades? A lot of benefit can be obtained from just taking old trades and analyzing and saying, oh, I could have done better if I entered sooner or entered later or this, that. But you need to have a history and you need to analyze that history. Now learn to use the visual mode in the MT4 strategy tester, because it will show you where trades are taken and how the results of those particular trades. That is the most fantastic mode that you can find, because you can immediately see, oh, this EA is entering too soon or entering too late, or the stop is too big, or the stop is too, or the target is too big, or those kind of things. You can visually see that on the chart. Learn to use, and then learn the basics. If you're still relatively new to trading, revise the basics. The Baby Pips has a fantastic beginner's course. We have a simple and easy series which takes you through all the techniques that you need to know to trade the Forex market. Go through those techniques. Make sure that you don't skimp. Like, for instance, a lot of people skimp over the money management section. They think it's not important. They skimp over the psychological section. They think it's not important. So use this time to revise the basis on which you are trading. And then this is just a short checklist. Build up your own checklist and spend this time developing your trading skills so that you can take advantage when the market returns to normality. Now is not the time to become a kamikaze trader. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope I've given you some ideas of how you can develop your skills in these times when the market is basically high risk and difficult to trade, and where you should be standing back and just watching the market. Don't worry if you see perfect trades that you could have taken. On the whole, you'll find trading the market at the moment is very risky. But if you're in the 5% that I mentioned earlier, certainly do selected trades with good risk control. So from me, Alex Employee, cheerio.